Hey, good morning everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, and today I think we are going to answer the question about what year is the convertible Beetle that I've been showing you the last 4 or 5 videos on. And I want to thank a special thanks to Samantha Riggins for her comment on how to identify what year the car actually is. And her comment was, if you take the speedometer, you turn it over, and they're date stamped. So if you look right here, I can't show you because it's really faded, but this one says 10 of 67. So that right there would tell me that this is a 1968. And yeah, you can say that, oh, the speedometer could have been changed out and everything else, but I'm just willing to put this whole thing to rest and say it's a 1968. I want to say thanks again to everybody out there who did comment below. I said, again, a special thanks to Samantha for commenting in and finding that information out. Maybe you guys learned some information as well. So now we can go on and ask other questions or, do some other trivias on this car now that we know what the year is. So again, I want to say thanks guys for all your comments, your support, and just answering the questions. So like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment or don't. And as we say in all of our videos, God bless you, God bless your family, God bless our great nation, the United States of America. Again, I want to personally thank you for you guys reaching out, helping me. So now I guess the next question is if this was your car, what would you do with it? Would you hack it up? Ship it to the junkyard? Would you strip the car down, maybe sell some parts? Take the car apart, maybe save some parts for your own personal projects? Or just get rid of it and start fresh, start new, and don't even worry about it? So comment below on that. We've got other videos coming up, a lot more exciting than this, but I just thought it would be a little bit different. So as always, guys, take care, have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video.